Today we're going to draw a toilet. ... And a massive poop inside. Say poopsie daisy. Get your piece of paper, fold it in half, and then fold it up like that. At the back it should be like this. Now get your pen and then draw a huge oval and then another huge thin layer of oval around it. And then draw 2 lines like that, and then a large rectangle like that. And then draw a little bit longer but thinner rectangle on top. Then draw a little rectangle here and then color it in. Then draw this so that it can be standing. Get your googly eyes, peel off the paper. You can put it here or here. And then the other one, peel off, and then on the same line, go like that. This can be one of the eyebrows if you want to. And then get your blue and then start coloring it in. And then when you do it out, get your glue, attach things and there, and then do a curve here, and then a curve here and here, and then a curve like that. That's the poop. A massive poop. Then do a smiley face here. Get your brown. And then color in the poop with the brown. And then get your other 2 googly eyes and then stick it on the poop. The massive poop. And then if you wanted to smell a lot, you can do some wiggly lines. And you can do a joke. My joke is Poopsie Daisy. And then get your blue and then resume coloring the toilets. After you're done, you can close it, open it, close it, open it, close it, and open it. You can take how much time you want and do this. Write your name. And then you are going to make your own name pop-up with your own massive poop toilet pop up. Whee! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!